Now imagine that sound for like 2 hours.
Where is she? She's rolling calls in the roadside. You need to evacuate her from St. David now. Evacuate? In 15 minutes, she's leaving the dock. There's a bomb on top. This Facebook portrait. It's happening from the inside. You knew this one. Listen to me. There's a bomb at Camp David. We need to evacuate Travers. Call her detail. I can't. To calm me down. You're not supposed to be here.